So today we're gonna make some fruit cakes. So first she's gonna take an orange. Now, no, sorry. She's gonna make some fruits. Now lemon, and that's a melon. And now tomato. Oh, strawberry. So that's not, maybe that's, oh no, that's not all. So a pear. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera first, like this. This is an up-close view so you can see the fruits that she is getting. That's all the fruits. Yeah. Okay.
Pero hindi ko na makita yung ano natin. Ilaw natin. Di buti kinabit natin yung tangali. Pero hindi ko na makita yung bahay natin.
Oh, she's washing it. She's washing it.
So kaya siya nagpunta ko. Ano?
You wash. Oh, she's washing it. That cooking. Okay, she's done washing. Oh, you forgot an egg because you're gonna make a cake, fruit cake.
Tapos nawala siya dito. So parang anong nangyari? Oo, exactly. Ano nangyari sa kanya? Tapos dito tayo nilid sa part na
Now you need flour.
Parang hindi siya parang
Here's the flour.
Alam mo yung like that
Wait. Here's the flour.
Parang it seems stuff. Sana naman yung last na nag-train dito, boy ka. Balik na tayo? Ha? Let's go.
Oh!
Balik na kami, guys. It's 3:10 a.m. 8 degrees Celsius. Alone in the dark. So lalabas ako. Ito lang yung visionary gamit. Hey bro. See you later, bro. See you after 5 minutes.
Ang plano ko is to go deeper. Mag-isa akong aalis and for a couple of minutes, naramdamin ko lang yung ambient at pakiramdam ng mag-isa sa gubat na to.
And then she's got, I forgot she cuts it now. Oh, good. Now, how about the grapes?
Because
Okay.
there's no one in there.
Oh, a mango.
Dito sa
She's cutting a mango. Good.
Hindi mo sa Japan. And gusto ko i-feel ko yung moment na
How about the grapes and the other fruits?
kung ano ba yung
Oh, you need this.
tapos pupunta rito
You don't need it.
at kinabahan
Oh, you
sarili lang
already have an oven. Patulgon.
nung nandito ako, I felt the peace. Napakakalmado ng paligid.
Now,
hangin ng
she's cutting. Oh gosh, she's cutting a banana. Now, a melon.
At inisip na this nature is also God's creation.
Okay.
It wasn't made para takutin tayo o instrumento para kitilin ang sarili natin.
Oh, one piece just fell. The orange and the apple. The orange first. Now the apple.
To make their lives peaceful. Hindi naman yun yung talagang susi.
Time to cook it.
That's why it's important to always check your friends,
Oh,
family, partner.
this one. You can put it back in. Oh gosh, the camera always falls. So you have to put the cutting board and the knife.
It's a massive person, and the only cure is love.
Oh, nice kaya camera ba?
Oh, we're up a movie. Okay, now she's okay. Bake it in the oven now. Bake it in the oven.
Isa-isa na rin namin tinanggal yung mga tali at siniguradong wala
Dali,
akong mahihirang
Akicha.
kalat.
Japan.
Sa aming pag-alis, Dito ko naman na-appreciate yung ganda ng kalikasan. Ang sarap
Oh,
ng
there we go.
araw.
It's done. Now this is what the fruit cakes looks like.
Masaya ako nasasaksihan.
We're gonna mix it first. Can you give me
Sugar? Oh, condense?
Oras.
Where's the condense? Oh, here's the condense. Wait. Now you, oh, I forgot. You need to bake it again in the oven again, and you mix it with the condensed milk. Okay,
Now we're gonna mix it.
put it in the oven. Oh god. Ano daw?
And now,
It's a real grudge.
now we're gonna cook it. Wait.
Oh, there's one. Oh. Oh. It's done.
No.
Spoon is broken.
Today, I will conquer my fear. Kapag sabi nila, the only way to conquer fear is to go skydiving. Kaso, ang problema, sa sinulog ko at bukod sa malayo ay maraming nagsasabi na ang lugar ay
Hear what the cakes mean.
Oh.
Alis kami ng bahay papuntang
Let's
airport.
taste.
Kahit isip-
Chef taste it.
Tapos ngayon na lang ako ulit nakakasakay ng aeroplano. Pwede ka pa tayo.
No.
Season.
I'll get one banana.
Sabihin niya.
Oh, it's nice. Yeah, bye-bye, guys.
Bye guys, if you want more
Saglit lang yung
videos,
biyahe papuntang
hit the
Dumaguete.
like
Nagulat na nga lang ako,
button.
nagbigla ako.
Bye-bye.